Have you ever wondered how scientists keep an eye on our planet's health from space? How do we track storms, monitor forests, or even predict earthquakes? The answer lies in a fascinating technology called remote sensing. Imagine a camera, but instead of taking pictures from your hand, it's way up in space, orbiting our Earth. This camera doesn't just capture what our eyes can see, it sees much more. It detects different types of light, invisible to us, that bounce off the Earth's surface. This is what remote sensing is all about. Collecting information about our planet from a distance. It's like having a watchful guardian in the sky, constantly observing and gathering data about our environment. And the best part, we don't need to physically touch anything to learn about it. Whether it's a dense forest, a raging ocean, or a scorching desert, remote sensing allows us to study and understand our Earth in ways we never thought possible. Now, how do these eyes in the sky actually work? It all comes down to something called electromagnetic radiation. Don't let the big words scare you, it's actually quite simple. Everything around us, including our own bodies, emits energy in the form of waves. These waves travel at the speed of light and have different lengths. Some are long, some are short. This is what we call the electromagnetic spectrum. Remote sensing instruments, called sensors, are designed to detect specific wavelengths of this spectrum. For example, some sensors are great at picking up heat, while others are better at detecting changes in vegetation. These sensors capture the radiation reflected or emitted from the Earth's surface. This data is then transmitted back to us in the form of images and measurements. By analyzing these images and measurements, scientists can extract valuable information about the area being observed. It's like deciphering a secret code, revealing the hidden stories of our planet. Remote sensing is like a Swiss Army knife for Earth scientists. It has tools for everyone. Geologists use it to study rock formations, map fault lines, and even predict earthquakes. Meteorologists rely on it to track storms, predict weather patterns, and monitor climate change. Oceanographers use remote sensing to study ocean currents, monitor sea levels, and track marine life. And environmental scientists use it to monitor deforestation, track pollution, and manage natural resources. For example, by analyzing satellite images of a forest over time, scientists can track deforestation rates and identify areas at risk. This information is crucial for conservation efforts and sustainable forest management. Perhaps the most important role of remote sensing is in monitoring the health of our planet. With climate change posing significant threats, remote sensing provides us with the tools to understand and mitigate its impacts. By tracking changes in sea level, ice cover, and greenhouse gas concentrations, scientists can monitor the effects of climate change on a global scale. This information is vital for developing strategies to adapt to and mitigate these changes. Furthermore, remote sensing plays a crucial role in disaster management. During natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, or wildfires, remote sensing provides real-time information about the affected areas. This helps emergency responders assess the damage, coordinate relief efforts, and save lives. In conclusion, remote sensing is a game changer for how we understand and manage our planet. It's like having a constant health checkup for Earth, helping us diagnose problems and find solutions. As technology advances, remote sensing will undoubtedly continue to play an even greater role in shaping a sustainable future for generations to come.